Hello and welcome back. Today we are doing the electrical wires, which is a job I have been dreading, but as we're getting quite a lot of electrical faults, there is no avoiding it. I spent a good 15-20 hours on this. I could probably rebuild an engine a lot quicker than I could do all of this, and as you can see, it involves taking them off one by one, including the tape, finding the old connections and resoldering and crimping and everything in between. I also did do quite a lot of removing the terminals and each individual pin, just because they were going green and they were probably loose and causing so many faults in the system, so I just needed to be redone. As you can see here, that's how it starts. Then it moves on to this, which goes a little bit darker and goes black, and it turns out green and bluish like this. So it does require a lot of work, a lot of patience, and if you're ever planning on doing this, just keep going. Like I said, it took me 15 to 20 hours to do this. Every mechanic's worst nightmare, but it is worth it in the end. So this will be my shortest video, just because it is all time-lapses sped up, and my phone actually did run out of memory when recording this, so you will miss the last bit. However, if you are thinking about doing this, remember, just do it one by one. Check for any greenness around the wires, around the connection, and yeah, solder them in one by one. Thank you very much.